public Wi-Fi education, perseverance, willpower, basic ethics, guiding you towards success. PPDT test number on the screen. Good morning, candidates. Welcome to the Picture Perception and Description Test, PPDT, an integral part of the Services Selection Board interview process. This test is designed to assess your ability to perceive details, think creatively, and communicate effectively. Here are the instructions for the PPDT. Listen carefully to the instructions. I will explain the purpose of the test, the time frame, and the criteria for assessment. Please take a comfortable position. To write the PPDT, you will find a PPDT template and a pen on your desk. You will have 30 seconds to observe the picture and 4 minutes to write your story. A hazy picture, also known as a stimulus picture, will be displayed on the screen for 30 seconds. Observe the picture carefully, noting down any details you can discern, such as the number of characters, gender, age group, mood, setting, and any significant objects or actions. After observing the picture, you will have 4 minutes to write a story based on the picture. Ensure your story includes an introduction, body, and conclusion. After writing your story, please submit your written story on our website for review. We will also coordinate through email to have a group discussion where you will be asked to narrate your story to the group. Your stories will be assessed based on coherence, creativity, originality, leadership traits, and your ability to handle stressful situations. You will receive feedback on your performance in the PPDT, highlighting areas of improvement. Approach this test with a positive attitude and confidence. Use this opportunity to showcase your creativity and communication skills. Best of luck, and let's begin the PPDT. request feedback from public Wi-Fi education to improve your storytelling skills. Ready to take your PPDT performance to the next level? Submit your test for expert feedback and join our vibrant community on our website, www.publicwifi.co.in, and Telegram group Public Wi-Fi Education. Stay connected, get valuable insights, and ace your SSB journey with public Wi-Fi education. Join us now. Public Wi-Fi education. Perseverance, willpower, basic ethics, guiding you towards success.